Hi, bestie. Ikaw ang pinakamagaling magluto. Imagine, kayang-kaya mo painitin at pakuluan ng ulo ko. Pero ganun pa man, salamat sa lahat.
Pray ko na nawa mag-init kayo sa salita ng Panginoon.
Naway baguhin niya na yung mga ugali niya. Maging seryoso.
But my heart won't change. Every day, it sounds like heaven when you say my name. I could stay, I could
Basta magsama lang kayo na maayos, magbigayan kayo, huwag ka masyadong magagalitin.
all the love in this heart is for you forever. All I am, every part is for you forever. Waves and the waves, I'll be a lighthouse shining till you find your way. Every day, it's bright as heaven when I see your face. I could stay inside of your arms, All the love in this heart is for you forever. All I am, every part is for you forever. All the love in this heart is for you forever. All I am, every part is for you forever. All the love in this heart is for you forever. All I am, every part is for you forever.
Kaya noon, dumating ng araw na pinakahintay natin. Araw na harap tayo sa lahat at kay Lord para masaksihan ng pag-iisang dibdib natin dalawa. Napangako ko sa iyo na ibibigay ko lahat ng pagmamahal na kaya ko ibigay na hanggang sa makakaya ko.
Tanging ikaw lang, walang ibang mamahalin.
I also vow to be your forever back ride through smooth roads, traffic jams, and spontaneous long rides with no exact destinations. Kahit sandalin ng motor.
Di susukuan kahit pa maging magulo. Ipaglalaban ka.
Magkaroon man tayo ng pagsubok, hindi kita iiwan din alam ko na ito ay magpapatibay ng isang relasyon. Lagi mo lang iisipin na dito lang ako palagi through good times, bad times, at sa hirap at ginawa. Love you.
Nakakapagod, o ikaw ang aking pahinga. Gumagaan ang lahat kapag nasisilayan ka na. Kaya wag na mangamba, walang dapat ipag-alala. Palaging nandito lang ako sa iyong tabi, dito sa iyong
Lagi mong tatandaan ako ang lagi mong kakampi. Handa ako ipagtanggol ka. And please, ayoko na ng staycation sa St. Luke's. Makinig ka sa mga bawal kainit at huwag lagi makulit. To more adventures with you, Baba.
Sasaktang muli, tanging ikaw, palaging ikaw. Sa mundong nakakapagod, o ikaw ang aking pahinga.
Ang pagsasama ng dalawang tao ay ang Diyos ang may akda.
Pag nasisilayan ka na, kaya wag na mangamba. Walang dapat ipag-alala. Palagi lang ako sa iyong tabi, dito sa iyong tabi.
Have you purpose to live a holy life?
I do.
Have you received the Holy Spirit to live in you?
I do.
When I walk down a road I don't know well, and I'm full of scare and doubt, I think of you. I think of you. And when life shuts me down and there's no way to win, sometimes
Napangako sa'yo
I
na
wanna cry, I think of
habang buhay kitang mamahalin at ibibigay ang pagmamahal na bibigay ko hanggang sa habang buhay.
I can see the
Sa hirap at ginawa, mahal
like
kita.
the stars in the night. I've already known I'm lost without your arms around me. I'm always by your side, my love, and this love's entirely for you. With you, from you, I'm always by your side, my love. From now on, my everything's for you. With you, from you. When I'm lost in my thoughts, lying awake in the night, and I need to clear my head, I think of you. I think of you. 'Cause I worry too much on my fears amplify. Sometimes I just wanna run. I think of you. I think of you. When you call my name, I can see the light guiding me home like the stars in the night. I've already known I'm lost without your arms around me. I'm always by your side, my love, and this love's entirely for you. With you, from you, I'm always by your side, my love. From now on, my everything's for you. With you, from you, there's no one else I got in this world. How could I live without you? Until the sun cools out, we will love. Nothing can stop us, no one can hurt us. I'll be forever in your arms.
For you, Ray and Diana, ang sabi ng Bible, husband, love your wife. Just as Christ loved the church,
This love's entirely for you. With you, from you, I'm always by your side, my love. From now on, my everything's for you.
Sana lagi mong isipin na dito ako para sa'yo. Salamat sa lahat. Napakabait mo, lalo-lalo na sa amin ng family.